going to Jersey City. I also brought the Mini 3 Pro.
What?
Yeah.
You're not gonna fly that.
You know, the airspace is a little tricky down there, but there is a spot that I could put the drone up and hopefully zoom in on the Statue of Liberty. So, yeah. Yeah. Max looked it up for me already. It is. We're freezing. But it's still fun.
It's chill-o-matic.
It's chill-o-matic. This is some very chill-o-matic footage.
Keep dancing with the devil, but he doesn't have a back, no.